Mike Mbuvi Sonko akoretwo aikarite na mwihoko munene wate ni akugia na kanya ga kuhuranira giturwa kia ungabana kaunti-ini ya Mombasa, no macira maria akoretwo namo magoti-ini makoretwo mari muhinga munene hariwe. No itua ria igoti rinene ria Mombasa umuthi ni riaire kioneki giake hinya mweru thutha wa acirithania atatu aria ni Oglasewe, Onginjo na Stephen Githinji wa Kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC kuhetukia Sonko akoroire feine. Acirithania ya makiuga ati IEBC ni athire mugaru na watho ikigeria kurugamia Sonko kuhitahitanira giturwa kiu.
The first respondent acted unreasonably, illogically and unfairly when she rejected a copy of the petitioner's decree as certified by an advocate, commission of oaths, and has violated the rights of the petitioner under Articles 3, 10, 20, 38, and 47.
Ciroyo wahandirwo igoti-ini ni Sonko thutha wa abitha uria urugamirire ithurano kaunti-ini ya Mombasa kurega maratathi ma kwamurwo gwa Sonko ni kiama kia Wiper kiria ararugama nakio, na murugamo uyu waumanite na itua ria IEBC kuga ati aria othe mahagurirwo wabici-ini matikahetukio kuhitahitanira iturwa citiganite. Sonko ari umwe wao thutha wake kuhagurwo ari ta gavana wa kaunti ya Nairobi.
Aspirants impeached and removed from public office for abuse of office. Under this category, the Commission received a report on 2 aspirants for the position of governor and 1 aspirant for the position of senator who have been impeached.
There being an appeal pending before the Supreme Court in connection with the petitioner's impeachment, the rejection of his nomination papers under Article 79 of the Constitution was in contravention of Article 47 and Article 180 sub-Article 2 as read with Article 193.3 of the Constitution.
Mweri muthiru Sonko ni athire igoti-ini kurugamia kiama kia Wiper gwetha muhuraniri ungi wa giturwa kiu kaunti-ini ya Mombasa, na gikihoya igoti-ini ria ati IEBC ndikambe gucabithia maratathi ma kura ma Mombasa nginya cira wake utwithanio. Ona gutuika mucirithania Sewe ndetikirire ihoya riu, na mucirithania munene Kameme ni amurire acirithania ya atatu guthikiriria cira wa Sonko.
The petitioner is eligible under Article 180 sub-Article 2 as read with 193 sub-Article 3 of the Constitution as a candidate to vie as a candidate for the seat of Governor Mombasa County in the forthcoming elections.
Ahuraniri mugwanja nio mahetukitio ni IEBC gwetha no ukuoya ithenya ria Hassan Joho uria urarikia itena ria wathani wake ria miaka 10 kaunti-ini no. Ona kuhana uguo IEBC ni yugite ni gucokia cira uyu riko ikenda kuhingiriria Sonko. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gujiri.